Hi, my name is Sandra, and on today's video, we'll be talking about the best way to acquire web design and development skill in Nigeria. Web design and development is one of the most sought out skills in this digital age. Keep in mind that every grown and growing company needs a web designer either to build a website for them or create content for their website. In web design and development, we have the front-end web design and development, the back-end web design and development, and the full-stack web design and development. The full-stack package comprises of both the front-end and the back-end. It takes you from a point of no knowledge to a point of being a full-time software developer. And now, what are the benefits of learning web design and development? First, you can start your own business with the knowledge you've acquired. You can get paid to impact knowledge of what you've learned. Secondly, you can do freelancing job and earn extra cash. Thirdly, you can work from the convenience of your home and be a master of your own time. All you need is just your system and the required software and you're good to go. In order to acquire practical skills on full-stack web design and development, you need to take out time to train and specialize at a registered computer training institute where you'll be impacted with practical hands-on training. You also need to be in a conducive environment with the help of creative professionals who will stand by you every step of the way, giving you 100% attention from the start of your training to the end of your training. At the end of your training, you should be able to build a professional website from scratch to the finish with little or no supervision from your tutor. Bizmaro Technologies offers you the best training in Abuja, Nigeria. Bizmaro Technologies is the best place for you. Bizmaro Technologies is the best place for you. We offer practical hands-on training on full-stack web design and development that is 90% practical and 10% theory. We also assign tutors to our students to give them 100% attention and guide. At the end of your training course in Bizmaro Technologies, you'll be able to build a real-life project on your own from start to finish. Distance is not a barrier. We offer online classes and we also offer weekend classes for working individuals. What are you waiting for? You can visit any of our offices today to get registered or call the numbers displayed on the screen to talk to our customer care executives. Technology is fast changing the world. Don't be left out. Bye for now.